So hey guys, I just got this device LX50 ZKTeco. Okay, so this video I just got it, so I wanted to do a simple tutorial how to register the stuff. Okay, register the user. So now I trying to switch on. Okay, switch on it. Go on. Okay, so make sure you plug in the cable. Okay, I let you see the operating specification. So this is the operating specification. Just need a 5-volt adapter, and this is a Malaysia version. Okay, just switch on. Press one time. Okay, so how to get in the menu? This is a menu. Okay, just press one time, it go into a menu. Okay, you see over here, user. Can you see user? Okay. Now this video tutorial is how to add user. You have to press OK over here. You got the user, you press OK. Okay. So press OK to add user. Okay. So hopefully you can see it, huh? So the ID, okay, I try to zoom in for you. The ID is, you can insert, you can delete it. If you don't want the one, you can enter like 1 2 3 or 2 2 3. Okay, because this device is for the company use. So basically you can just insert employee number, except the alphabet type. You only can insert the numbering. Okay, example, I just try to do 111. Okay, so after you're done, you just go to the second row. Just press the down button, and this is a name. So how to key in the name? This device very special. It's not like the we call what T9 dictionary or something like last time Nokia phone. But it's like example, I want to choose a 2M sure. 2, I press 2. Okay. M, suppose this right, but I cannot. Okay. What I have to do, I have to press OK. Okay. When I press OK, it become English. So you want M, press M. Okay. M is represent number 3. Okay. So I try to delete the 6 first. So I do backspace. Here is a backspace. Okay. M. Okay, number 3. S. Is this right? Number 7. I press 1. So 7. Wait, S is number 7. I is this number 4. So I choose number 5. The fifth one. Okay, A. Number 3. Okay. Once you're done, you press OK again. Okay, or you press escape. Escape. After that, you can just put a number. Okay. If you don't want, you just ignore it. So after that, all you have to do next, this is for you to enroll the FP means fingerprint. So you want to enroll FP fingerprint, you just press OK. So now I try to register this finger, the middle finger. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Done. So you also can add another finger. Press OK. So you get another finger, any type finger, as long as you have the finger. Okay. Success. Then you can see over here, count 2 mean you already have 2 finger registered on this device. So you go to the second password. If you want to password, press OK to enroll. Maximum 8 character. Example, I just put 1 2 3 4. Okay, OK. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press OK again. So it's done. You can see it's a key indicate over here. Okay. So after that, you can choose the department. Okay. That one I will later I'll show you how to change the department. So this it can represent administrator or user. Okay, so now I show you what is between different as a user and the administrator. So if I choose a user, I press OK. Everything just user's thumb.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. So you still can log in. Okay. Okay, you can still log in. So you go to user again. If you want to edit the existing user, you go to user management MGT. Press OK. So you choose 2M sure. So when edit, just press OK to edit. The bracket is represent the button, which button you have to press. Okay, number 1 is fine, number 2 is record. Okay, example, you want to record number 2. You can see the record. Okay, it's the time when just like time. Skip. Then you go to OK to edit. So I just now say want to show what is different between administrator and the user. Now I choose as administrator. Okay, so it's done. Skips. Press OK. Go on. So it's locked. Okay, it's locked. So you need the administrator only can unlock the device. Okay, this is the use of this. So we go back to user management again. We go to see example, you want to change the department. So today's tutorial is teach how to set up the user and all function inside here. Okay, for this video. So now I went going to set the department. Escape again. Go to the department set. Press OK. So you can see the first department is company. If I want to edit, I press OK. If you don't want to edit, I just press number 3 for add. You can see over here, add. Okay, it's number 2. Just leave it. So department I rename. I call what? YouTube department. So very simple. If you want to key in the alphabet, you have to press OK. So come out with English. So I YouTube Y number 6. O number 6 as well. I put it small letter. U is this. Okay. Number 1 small letter. T capital letter. Okay. U number 1. And B is here. B is small b. E small e. Okay. One I done. Press OK. Nothing's happened because I have to escape. And this is a shift. So this shift I will make another video explain more detail about this shift. Because the shift you can base on department or you can base on individual as well. For next video. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for next video if you are using this ZKTeco LX50. Okay, because we just got this device, we will try to we try to research on it, we try to use it. After that, we try share what we know about this device, share for you all. Okay, so done. Press OK. So you can see over here the department YouTube number 2. It's done. Escape again. I go back to user. Press OK. Go to user management. Press OK again. So number 1, I want to edit. Just press OK. And I can just go to choose YouTube. Ooh, perfect. So down again, I choose as a normal user. Press OK. So voila, it's done. So I try to turn. Okay, it's done. So this just all for this how to register user for this LX50 ZKTeco. If you feel this video is usable or is very useful, please give us a like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button below. Subscribe us to Amshot channel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.